In the middle of the Pacific Ocean, there's a point where geography plays a mind-bending trick. Stand there and you're in the Northern Hemisphere, and the Southern Hemisphere, the Eastern Hemisphere, and the Western Hemisphere, all at the same time. This rare coordinate exists where the equator meets the 180th meridian, a crossroads of the planet's hemispheres. That tiny, mind-bending coordinate lies near Caroline Island, part of the remote Republic of Kiribati. At its peak, Nauru had the highest GDP per capita in the world, surpassing that of the US, Japan, or Saudi Arabia. But the wealth didn't last. After decades of over-mining and mismanagement, the island was stripped bare, both geologically and financially. Today, over 80% of Nauru is uninhabitable, and the country is just struggling to stay afloat. In the far south of Western Australia lies one of the most surreal sights on Earth, a lake the color of bubblegum. This is Lake Hillier, one of Australia's strangest and most surreal sights. It's bright pink, not just from above, but even if you scoop it into a bottle. In 1995, the Republic of Kiribati did something no other nation had done before. It literally redrew the international dateline so that all its islands could share the same calendar day. Before that, half the country was living in tomorrow while the other half was still in today, which made governance and life confusing. So they shifted the line 3,000 kilometers east, pulling all of its islands into the same day by making some of them to first experience sunrise on Earth every day.